Hi guys, welcome to Annie's Math and Science. In this video we are going to see about dividing polynomials. We know what is polynomial. Polynomial means some terms separated by plus or minus. And for dividing polynomials there are two types. One is long division method. The second one is synthetic division. So in this case we are going to see long division method. And for that first step is like you have to write the polynomial in the standard form. Standard form means you have to write the terms in the decreasing order of degrees like exponents. Okay, so in this case like see this one is actually cube and this is square. So first of all you have to write 3x cube, and also you have to see like whether all the terms are present also. Okay, so this is 3x cube and then you have to write 4x squared. And then there is no x term, so you cannot leave that. You have to write this as 0x and then plus 10. Okay, so we are going to divide this polynomial by x minus 2. So you have to divide by x minus 2. So for dividing polynomials, you have to, it's same like the normal division only. First of all, you have to make the first term 0. So for that, you have to multiply x with 3x squared. So if you write 3x squared times x, then that is equal to 3x cubed. So you have to write up here 3x squared. So 3x squared times x will be equal to 3x cubed. And then you have to multiply the second term with that number. Okay, so whatever expression you are writing it here, that must multiply with the second term. So 3 times 2 is negative 6 and then x squared. Okay, so negative 2 times 3x squared is actually minus 6x squared. Okay, so now same as the other one you subtract, right, for normal division. So same like that you have to subtract it. So when you subtract, the signs will change. So this one is holding a positive sign and it will become negative. And the next one is actually holding a negative sign and it will become positive. Okay. So then we can cancel this out. This will become 0. And now you have to add these two. So 4 plus 6 will be plus 10x squared. Okay, and then you have to drag the next term down. Okay, so 0x is there, so you have to drag that down, so that is plus 0x. And then now see, like you have to see what must be multiplied with x to get 10x squared. So 10 must be x must be multiplied with 10x to get 10x squared. So plus, you have to see the sign also. So you are having a positive sign, so you can put plus in here. So plus 10x times x will be 10x squared. So you can write 10x squared here. And now this 10x must be multiplied with the second term, which is minus 2. So 10 times minus 2 is like minus 20x. Yeah. Again, same as before, you have to subtract. The signs will change. And so this will become minus will become plus. And so this will be cancelled. And 0 plus 20 will be plus 20x. Okay. So plus 20x, and now you have to drag down the next term. So this is plus 10. Okay. Now you have to remove this term. So to make this as 0, what must be multiplied with x? So x times 20 will be 20x. So you have to add 20 here because the sign is positive in here. So you have to add plus. So 20 times x is 20x. And then 20 times minus 2 is minus 20. Okay, so that is a reminder in this case. So here this will be gone, this is minus and this will be plus, this will be gone, this will be 0, and then 10 plus 20 will be 30. So you are getting plus 30 as the remainder when you are writing the answer. So if there is a remainder here, if there is no remainder, if the remainder is 0, you have to just write the quotient. Okay, this is the quotient and you just have to write the quotient. But if there is a remainder in here, the answer must be written in this form. So first of all, you have to write the quotient, which is 3x squared plus 10x plus 20. And now you have to see the sign. What sign you have? Plus in here. So plus 30 over what you are dividing it by. So you have to write the dividend here. Okay. So not dividend, this is a divisor. Okay. So x minus 2. Okay. So first of all you have to divide it, and then if there is a remainder here, you have to add the remainder with the answer, which is the quotient of this division. Yeah, so this is the answer, and plus the remainder divided by the number which you are dividing it by. Okay, so x minus 2. So this is how you can use long division method to divide polynomials. Okay guys, already we have learned about long division method, but this is synthetic division. Okay, so synthetic division is actually, some people feel like it's easier than long division. Let's see how to do it. Okay, so in this case also you have to see whether the polynomial is in the standard form or not. It is in standard form because this is having 2 power of 2 and this is 1 and then 0. So it is actually in the decreasing order. So it is actually in the standard form only. Okay, so to divide this one by x plus half, by using synthetic division, you have to make a box like this. Okay, so first of all you have to, so in here you don't have to write the whole polynomial, you just have to take the coefficients. So first coefficient is actually 4, so you have to write that 4, and this is negative 12. Leave some space in between, minus 12, and this is 9. Okay, and you are dividing by x plus half. So x plus half means x plus half is equal to 0. So x is equal to negative half. Okay, so if x plus half is equal to 0, the half will go to the other side and will become negative. So you have to take the negative sign, negative half here. Okay, so first of all you have to add a 0 here. So this is always, when you are doing synthetic division, you have to add 0 here, and now you have to add these two. 4 plus 0 will be equal to 4. And so these numbers, whatever numbers you are getting here, must be multiplied with this one. Okay, so here addition and this is multiplication. So 4 times half, 4 times negative half, that is equal to, 4 times half is actually 2. So it is negative, so not minus 2. So this is minus 2. So you have to write the answer of this product. This product of these two numbers must be given here. Okay, so you have to write it in this place. So 4 times minus half is actually minus 2. Now you have to add these two. Both of them are having a negative sign, and you have to put you have to add and put the negative sign, which is negative 14. Okay, so this is negative 14, and now you have to multiply negative 14 with minus half. So negative 14 times minus half, which is equal to, half of 14 is 7. So minus and minus will become plus, so that is actually 7. Okay, so 7, you have to write 7 in here, and now you have to add these two. So that is actually 9 plus 7 is 16. So this is the remainder. Okay, so the quotient must be written using these two numbers, 4 and negative 14. So the answer will be equal to, answer is equal to, so this is having this is a constant term, no x here, and this is the x term. So you can write this as 4x minus 14, and then this is actually plus 16. So you have to write plus 16 over whatever you are dividing it by. Okay, so this is actually divisor. This polynomial is dividend, and this is the divisor. So you have to write the divisor below 16, so which is x plus half. This is the answer. This is how you can divide polynomials using synthetic division method. Okay, let us see one more example for synthetic division, because the previous example you are having plus in here, and you have negative sign in the minus sign in this question. So let us see one more example. So same like before, but in this case also you have to see whether the polynomial is in standard form. So 4, 3, and then square term is missing, so you have to add 0 for that. So the coefficient of x to the power 4 is 1, and then negative 2, and then there is no x squared term, so you have to put 0 here, and then 3, and then plus 1. Okay, and now this is actually x minus 3 is equal to 0, so x must be equal to 3. So you have to put 3 here, and now first step is adding 0. So in here you have to add 1 plus 0 will be 1. 1 times 3 will be 3 here, and when you add these two you will get 1. 1 times 3 will be 3 again, and 0 plus 3 will be 3, and then 3 times 3 is 9, and then 3 plus 9 is actually 12. 12 times 3 is 36, so 36 plus 1 will be 37. Okay, so that is reminder here too. And now you are going to write the answer. So this is the quotient. So quotient is actually, this is a constant term, x squared term, x cubed term. So the answer will start with x cubed term. So the coefficient is 1. So just you can write it as x cubed plus x squared plus 3x plus 12. And there is a remainder and it's holding a positive sign. So plus 37 over divisor. What is the divisor? X minus 3. So this is how we can divide the polynomials using synthetic division method. This question is about evaluation by using synthetic division method. Okay, so you have to find, this is p of x. P of x is equal to x cubed minus 4x squared plus 3x minus 5. And you have to evaluate for the x value, x is equal to 4. So actually you are going to find p of 4. Okay, so how can you do it using synthetic division method? Let's see, like you have to follow the same way and you have to see whether it's in the standard form. So write the coefficients here, 1, minus 4, 3 and minus 5. Okay, in here you don't have to, because already it is like the x value is found, x is equal to 4, so you have to write only 4 here. Okay, you don't have to change anything here. So again put 0, and 1 plus 0 will be 1, 1 times 4 will be 4, and minus 4 plus 4 will be 0, and 0 times 4 will be 0, so 3 plus 0 will be 3, 3 times 4 will be 12. Okay, so when you add these two, so one is minus and one is plus, so you have to subtract and put the sign of the bigger number. So 12 minus 5 will be 7. So the value of p of 4, which is equal to 7. Okay, so this is how you can find using synthetic division method. If you want to check, you can check normally, like p of 4 is equal to x cube means 4 cube, 7 cube, sorry 4 cube, because the value of x is 4. So 4 cube minus 4 times 4 square plus 3 times 4 minus 5, which is equal to 4 cube is 16 4s are 64. 64, and this is 4 4s are 16. 16 times 4 is again 64, but minus 64, and then 3 times 4 is 12 plus 12 minus 5. Okay, so these two get cancelled, and 12 minus 5, which is equal to 7. See, you got the same answer. So this is how you can evaluate like using synthetic division method. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Please subscribe and share it. Thanks.